Okay, team, I want to remind you of what we talked about with the last problem. Just because you don't know how to count by your 23s doesn't mean you can't solve this problem. It just means you have to do a little bit more work off to the side of the page to figure it out. So I cannot do 5 divided by 23. 5 divided by 23, can't do it. 54 divided by 23? Oh yeah. Let's see how many 23s we can get in 54. Okay. That's 2 groups of 23. Does that fit inside 54? Yeah. Let's find out if 3 groups does. Oh, does 3 groups fit? No. 2 does. All right, I've done the D step. What numbers do I need to multiply? What numbers do I need to multiply? This is the same for any of the problems we've done. I'm going to wait and see if I can't get another new person on my participation list here. So, what numbers do I multiply now? Those look like the same hands that are always up. What numbers do I multiply? Some people, I'm not sure if you're even there, so I'm going to just go into a staring contest here. I really appreciate those people that are raising your hands, but you're the same people that always raise your hands. Maybe I should just randomly call on somebody. Zach, what numbers do I multiply? So you're like super close there. We're going to multiply the 2. You were right on that one. We're going to multiply the 2 and the 23. 23 times 2. Right? We always multiply the number we just wrote down on top by the number out front. We already found out that 23 plus 23 is 46. So that gives us 46. Now we subtract. Remember, you can't do 4 minus 6. You got to borrow. 14 minus 6. That's 8. Then we bring down just the next number. Okay. Whoa. 83 divided by 23? Okay. Well, didn't I already figure out that 3 groups of 23 is 69? So I can just add another group of 23 to that, right? So that's 3 groups. So if I add one more set of 20, that's plus sign. One more set of 23, that'll give me 4 groups. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, is 4 groups too many? Is 4 groups too many? I see Hunter N nodding his head. Yes, yep. 4 groups is too many. That means it's 3. 83 divided by 23 is 3. Now we multiply the number we just put up top by the number out front. We already know what 3 groups of 23 is. 1, 2, 3. So when we multiply, we get 69. Now we subtract. Can I do 3 minus 9? No. Okay. Gotta borrow. 13 minus 9. Okay, that's 4. 7 minus 6. That's 1. Bring down the 2. Oh my gosh! 142? This must be impossible! Well, hold on. Let's think logically about this, right? If I go over here to my work, 69 was 3 groups, and I added another group, and I was at 92. So hold on. We're already at 92. and that's 4 groups. So I'm going to do some more work here. I know that 92 is 4 groups. So I can go from 92, I can add 23, and that's going to give me 5 groups. 2 plus 3 is 5, 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, well, that's 5 groups. Is that close enough to 142? I don't think so. But here's the awesome thing about math, everybody. We can check. We can find out. All we have to do to find out is add the numbers 2 and 3. You all know how to add by 2 and 3. I'm going to add another group of 23. That answer is going to tell me what 6 groups is. Well, 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus nothing is... Oh, okay. Is 138 pretty close to 142? Yes. Now, this might look like it was really hard and we did a lot of stuff. And we did do a lot of stuff. But let's look at this carefully here. Everything we've done to find out how many groups of 23 goes into stuff, we just added up groups of 23. So 2 groups was 46. We added another group, that was 3 groups. We added another and that was 4 groups. We added another and that was 5. We added another group and that was 6. All we did is we added the numbers 2 and the numbers 3 to stuff. That's not even hard. That's just adding the numbers. And then in here, in the actual problem, we had to do some subtraction, but we know how to subtract. So once again, we got 6 groups. So 23 goes into 142 6 times. We know that 6 times 23 is 138. Now we subtract. Can I do 2 minus 8? No. 12 minus 8. That's 4. 3 minus 3 is nothing. 1 minus 1 is nothing. There's nothing left over here. There's the number 4. Remainder 4. Oh, cool. A couple people got the same answer as me. A couple people got answers that were pretty close. Nice. 216. Interesting. Okay, the person that got 216, did you get 83 down here? Because if you had 83 here, oh, person that did that, I think what you did wrong, oh, you did have 83 there, because 23 can go into 83 3 times. So there should be a 3 there instead of a 1. Okay. Does anybody have any questions about any of those problems? Okay, I'm going to hit pause.